Hey guys, this is Anis Tariq. Welcome back to another video, and as you can see I have a tripod from Ulanzi. So today in this video I'm going to unboxing and showing how to use this. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is a branding and with photo, this Ulanzi logo with flexible tripod. In the side is this model MT-11. So simple boxing, and it's showing how to use it. So I'm going to unbox. So simple documentation, some with Chinese language, so nothing here. And then tripod itself, and very high quality and very soft. You can mount anywhere. It is very flexible. So then this ball head, then you can adjust your ball head right from here, and you can use as a camera mount, or you can use as a mobile mount here. Simply convert it to here. As you can see, I'm showing this. This mobile phone is 6.7 inch display, and it's easily mounted on it. So as you can see, very strong. So you can you can mount here a microphone or your video light, anything here. And here is the another mount for another accessories, like extra light, extra camera, anything else. So as you can see, this is the, I think, very affordable and best option for blogger who want to blog yourself. So I think it's video helping for you. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.